Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The caged bird of the book's title symbolizes Maya, caged in by bars of racism, self-doubt, and lack of opportunities. In the Dunbar poem, the caged bird sings for freedom, just as Maya seeks freedom to follow her dreams.
Take our lead.
The caged bird metaphor is a common animal metaphor whereby a character, often a woman or girl in an oppressive environment, is associated with a caged bird, symbolizing their sense of confinement and longing for freedom.
Take our lead.
The poem describes the opposing experiences between two birds. One bird is able to live in nature as it pleases, while a different caged bird suffers in captivity. Due to its profound suffering, the caged bird sings, both to cope with its circumstances and to express its own longing for freedom.
Take our lead.
The main themes in Caged Bird are freedom and confinement, artistic expression as resistance, and civil rights. Freedom and confinement, as its title indicates, Caged Bird is concerned with both imprisonment and the innate urge for freedom. 3 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Structure and Form, Caged Bird by Maya Angelou is a 6-stanza poem that is separated into stanzas that range in length. Angelou chose to write the poem in free verse. This means that there is no single rhyme scheme or metrical pattern that unites all the lines.
Take our lead.
Imagery. Angelou has used vivid imageries. Orange sun rays, distant hills, fat worms etc. are examples of visual imageries, while sighing trees, nightmare scream, and fearful trill are auditory imageries.
Let's help you make your mark.
The other bird is a caged bird whose wings have been cut off from him and his feet have been tied. He does not even have the privilege of seeing the world. He is stuck inside the cage where he can only sing and express his unheard feelings. These are the two pictures which the poet has presented. 15 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.